Right, welcome back to Alloy Fix. It's Uma here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to give you a little tour around the workshop. We're going to show you what's going on. We're going to show you what's coming. It's a Monday morning right now. We're going to show you what's coming today, what's coming over the weekend. We've had a few issues and problems over the last couple of weeks, so we're going to talk through some of them. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go. Right, we've got a new till system put in. It's temporary at the moment, but we're just working out the little glitches and stuff like this. You've got Ibs and Zach trying to work it out, trying to make it all perfect. We got Faisal. Faisal, what are you up to today?
I need money.
He needs money. Fucking hell.
Money. I bought one socket for £100.
£100?
£100 for one socket. There you go.
What, for real?
No. It's a joke.
I was about to say I can get you a bargain on that. Come, let's go downstairs. Let's show them what's going on. Bro, how are you? You good? Assalamu alaikum. Right, let's see what's going on outside first. Right, so it doesn't look like we've got many cars in this week. We've got this beautiful GLE. All four need diamond cuts. I think they're staying original, as they should. So most of the cars that come here get put, we either give them loan wheels. I mean, some cars stay here. We try not to let that happen too often. Most cars get loan wheels put on them and then they get sent off, or the wheels just come to the factory. Follow me. These are the wheels that are most prone to getting cracks and buckles. So you'll always see we've got at least 3 to 4 sets of these wheels sitting here, and probably somewhere on the back of one of these wheels there's probably a couple of buckles and there's probably a couple of cracks. We've got some GTI wheels here, nothing too bad. I mean, you got really deep curb marks on some of them, but to be fair, oh, this one looks a little bit more worse. You got some corrosion here as well. So this is what corrosion is. So normally what happens is water gets underneath the lacquer, starts lifting it up, and you start getting basically the paint and the lacquer just starts coming away from the wheel. We've got some lovely Revere wheels off a Range Rover. They're going back to gloss black. To be fair, they're not bad. These are all the wheels that are ready for acid. So we've managed, so they've probably come over a Friday, Saturday. The tires have been taken off. We've got some Range Rover wheels here. We got some, what are these, Mercs? These look like some Mercs. Nothing out of the ordinary there. What wheels we got going on here?
Ford Focus wheels.
Right, are they going on or are they going off?
They're going on.
They're going on? Come have a look at this. So obviously this customer's gone for our signature gloss black and it is looking absolutely banging. When's this customer coming? Today, tomorrow?
He's already here now.
He's already here. Lovely. So we just got to swap these back on. Customer's here to get these put back on. We'll try and get his reaction on what he thinks. And these, again, Mercedes wheels. Our factory is just going to be full of Mercedes wheels. So all 4 of these are badly buckled. They've got deep corrosion going on. They've got corrosion near enough everywhere. So these white marks here, these little wormy marks here, that's what you call corrosion. We've got corrosion around here, we've got corrosion around the edge, and obviously just some minor scuffing. So the customer knew he's had to get all 4 buckles done, and he's obviously opted, once he saw our process, once he saw the factory, he wanted to get all 4 of them refurbished as well. So he's going to change it slightly. I think he's going black diamond, gloss black inserts with a diamond cut on top. Come through. Right, check these wheels out. I don't know, I've forgotten who can you see that? Can you catch that? They've got a special kind of colour going on here. Gold and bronze. Nice, so the boys have made a mix of their own for the customer. We've got some wheels getting prepped up over here. Some Range Rover wheels, probably going to get diamond cut these. So at this stage they've been acided, they've been put through the sandblaster. Now they're going to get prepped. They're going to get inspected for buckles. We inspect for buckles on this machine here. Inspected for buckles, see how true they run. We're going to see if they've got any cracks or anything like that. And then obviously if any additional work's needed or wanted, then we'll get that sorted. Oh, this has got a big gouge in it. Check that out. And here. So these are pre-prep. So again, they've been through the acid, they've been through the sandblaster. It's now time to get these prepped up. You got some marks. These are quite bad actually. So I'm assuming these are going to be buckled as well. Yeah. So these 2 are buckled. They've probably just gone on the machine. These 2 are buckled. Those 2 look fine. So you can see a little bit of damage there. You can see a little bit of damage around here on the edges around here. But when you start seeing stuff like this, you know that it's been through a big whack. The wheels had some serious damage I mean, there's at least a 1-2 mil groove on that. So you know that's had some serious work done to it, and this customer's hit the curb quite seriously. So yeah, we're going to be addressing these, looking after them. Right, let's see what else is going on in the factory. Right, so we've had to change the layout in our oven room slightly as well. This is our degasser. This used to be in that corner, in the room, in the corner. We've had to put that outside. Degassing is just basically where we take the air pockets out of the wheels by warming them up. And then so we've made some changes in this room. As you can see now, first we just used to have those 4 ovens. You can probably see it in our previous videos, you see those 4. But we've had to add 4 more, just about the amount of work coming in and stuff. We've needed some extra ovens just to keep us going. The lathe is not being used right now because we've got Sachin that's normally on the lathe doing the sandblasting, covering John. But at the moment there's not much to cut. He'll cut it out in a bulk. Follow me, follow me. So the biggest and most costliest change we made last week was that our compressor went last week. It failed on us. So it used to be sitting up here on the mezzanine floor, but I think the dust and the heat from the oven room, which is just underneath us, has got to it. Either way, it's expired well before it should have. So we've had to change all of our lines. We've had to move it all around, and we've had to move our compressors. We've had to move the location of the compressor. Right, so this is our new compressor. Thank you to Compressors Essex for, I mean, he really went above and beyond. He stayed late for us. He came out of his work hours just to get this put in for us. The other compressor, we don't actually know what's wrong with it as of yet. We don't really know what the problem with it is, but either way, it's a big problem and it's going to take a little while to get sorted out. Come inside because your camera's getting wet. It's going to take a little while to get sorted out. Obviously, it's something that we just can't afford to happen because without the compressor, we can't run pretty much any of our machines. But yeah, here she is in all her pride and glory. And yeah, we're happy with her so far. But yeah, that means, but more importantly, that means the factory's back up and running. We've got all of our machines up and running again. So follow me through again. This is what rust looks like. This is what corrosion looks like when underneath the powder coat. So that's when, so water's obviously got in through here and it's got under the paint there, and now it's starting to bubble up. So that's what corrosion looks like on painted wheels, because yesterday I showed you what corrosion looks like on diamond cut wheels over here. Probably these ones that I showed you on. So that's corrosion on diamond cut wheels, corrosion on powdered wheels. We've got a couple of Range Rovers here. We got Shabs from Cream. That's his wheels over there. Right, we've just had a wheel come out the oven. Have a look. It's hot, be careful. Literally flawless. Not one mark on there. Right, check this bad boy out. So that's called Night Fever. So it's got like, it's gloss black. Can you pick it up on the camera? It's got gloss black and it's got like a white pigment, white kind of sparkle in it. That looks really good actually. So I just clocked that as I was walking out. Let me put this back. Customer's just seen his wheels. He looks very happy. What do you think of them?
Oh, brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
You happy with them?
A lot better than they were before. Yes.
Absolutely, and we changed the colour on them as well, right?
Yes.
So we've gone gloss black on the insert.
Yeah.
And what did you think about the customer service, the general
brilliant.
service you got? Yeah, happy with that? Right, we'll let you drive it on the A12.
Thank you very much.
Take it for a spin, and then you can let us know what you think.
Thank you very much.
No worries. Right, so we showed you these wheels at the start of the week. These are the reverse wheels of the Range Rover. Sorry, Shabs. We've got Shabs here from Cream Developments.
What's going on, guys?
What do you think about the wheels, bro?
Okay, now I bought these wheels here. Every morning, tyres were going flat. Didn't know what it was. Kept filling tyres up. Brand new wheels, brand new tyres on there as well. Brought it down to the boys. Alloy Fix. And the only reason I brought it down here is because their refurbs are spot on, bang on. It's that glass finish. And that's why I brought it here.
All the cracks have been fixed, the buckles have been straightened, the wheels have gone gloss black. Hopefully he's got many happy miles of motoring now. The final test will be when he takes it on the motorway, and when he wakes up tomorrow morning, if there's air in all the tyres, we've won, yeah? Well, hopefully this was the final touch, and yeah, they'll be going good. Right, you happy with that, yeah?
100%.
That's it.
It's time for you to go home. It's 5:30.
That is time. It's time for us to go. That's it. That's why I'm trying to rush you now. Right, perfect.
There's a wheel at the back. Just pull the wheel up.